trees, wasn't he?
Coming around.
Oh. You got some strength.
He's a biggie.
You got the boat stretched too?
Yeah.
You got trolling motor off?
Yep.
We're out in the
It's
middle.
not up. You want it up?
No, we're good. I think we're good.
You haven't even brought him up much.
No, he's staying down, isn't he?
Yeah, he's a big dog. There I see your bobber.
Yeah, we're getting closer.
There he is. He's going under, going under.
We'll keep that motor.
Oh, he's going under. Come around, Tim.
Here we go.
Coming back.
Motor in the back. Alright. And now he's going right back underneath that motor. Alright.
It's
back
up.
Out.
You're up.
Okay, good. There he is. Get up here, buddy. Get up here. Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Look at that guy.
You need to hold this.
Oh man.
Oh, I don't even want to grab that line.
Woo!
I don't even want to grab that line.
Oh my goodness. Make
come
sure it's
on.
on there good. Oh.
Come on.
Oh, there's a hog. Wow, look at that.
He is 12, 11 pounds, 12. Doggone.
Woo!
Oh, he is 12 pounds.
Man.
Look at
That's a
that.
dandy.
Nice job.
Let's see
Here,
how,
go up front.
let's get him out of there. Let's see if we can get a,
There, you grab him.
oh. Oh, jeez. Look at that. Look at the flare on him.
Let me get out of your way.
Isn't that pretty? Oh. All right.
Here,
Pliers.
give me a pull. The pliers are right there in the
Thing
bench.
here.
That is a hog.
That's a nice one. Man. There you go, Dave.
Nice.
Okay, we'll get rid of that. I need my phone. I need a picture of this thing.
I can send this to you too, Tim.
Okay. Was that a video?
Yeah, I can send you a picture too.
All right, here you go. That's. Oh, look at that. Don't look at that. Spread right out there.
Holy Toledo. You gotta back up.
I like that.
Nice.